creamy hummus and soft pita bread. Let's explore the Arabic flavor.
First, dry out the chickpeas. Yes, I used the canned one. Trust me, it will still be good. One important step is to remove the skin from them. It is a tedious work, but totally worth it. Like this, your hummus will be silky smooth. I should have taken a bigger bowl for that. Never mind, move on. In a food processor, mix garlic, fresh lemon juice and sesame paste. Choose a good quality of tahini from your local store. Add your chickpeas and mix until smooth. Add a bit of water to help the mixing process. Season with nutmeg, cumin and olive oil. I like to add a bit of garlic oil. Plate it and season it with salt, olive oil, chives, paprika and some whole chickpeas. Now let's see how to do this soft and tasty pita bread. Combine water, yeast, milk, yogurt and oil together. All ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box below. Combine this mix with all-purpose whole wheat flour with some seeds and salt. Knead it until smooth. If necessary, add a bit of flour. Keep in mind that the dough should remain a bit sticky. Knead and fold by hand a couple of times to give strength. Place it in a bowl with some olive oil and let it rest for 1 hour. After that, divide it in 6 pieces. Shape them into a ball. If you don't know how to, just pull one side and fold it in the middle. Repeat it with each side until they end up round. Then roll it between your hands. Voila! Let them rest for 30 minutes. Flat them with the smallest pin roll that you can buy. And cook them on a fry pan. Few minutes on each side until slightly burn. It will give it the characteristic charcoal grill flavor. Wrap them immediately with a kitchen towel to prevent them to drying out. Brush them with ghee or melted butter. Season them with fresh chopped parsley and paprika. Look at this beauty. Place this amazing dish in the middle of the table and enjoy it with your family and friends. While doing this, please click like and subscribe. Ciao, see you in the next video.
Recording. Creamy hummus. Creamy hummus. Creamy hummus. Creamy hummus. Hummus. Hummus and pita bread. Creamy hummus. Hummus, creamy hummus. Creamy. Devo fare la pipì. Creamy.
I cannot stop, I'm sorry, I don't want to laugh at you. I imagine in the video just your face pops up creamy. Yes, stop.
Creamy? Creamy hummus and soft pita bread. Let's explore the Arabic flavor. And the pasta.